Hi everyone, today I'm gonna clean our fridge. Alright, it needs cleaning. These are our shelves. I already removed this part here, but still need cleaning. I put it in the sink. I'm gonna wear gloves. Hopefully you're all doing, guys. I'm on my annual leave this week. I really enjoyed it. Busy studying. I just remove all this part here and put on our table. There you go, it's empty. And the rest, we need to be tidy, guys, because we are talking about our health. So all of these stuff here needs to be removed. I am just lucky because my husband does the cleaning and cooking at home. I am not stressed. My kids as well, they cook their own food. They have their own recipe. Then I'm gonna remove this part here. We have stuff here. Look, youngest daughter is on holiday this week. She'll be back by September. Thankfully, they worked hard in school, which I am happy, me and my husband, as a parents. Alright, let's proceed my cleaning, and I need to remove the bottom part of the fridge. The rest I already removed them. They are all needs cleaning. It's been a while I didn't remove them, but it's so much easy to remove the stain, to avoid also the smell of the fridge. There are also shelves that is hard to remove, so I just leave them. I just use the spray and wipes in cleaning. Make sure you turn off your fridge to save electricity. Alright, to use the spray while your fridge is off and leave it open. By the way, there is no need to clean the freezer because I've just cleaned them. Okay, now let's proceed the spray. Alright, I have here the spray, the Flash Ultra Power, and we have the all-purpose clothes. So I'll start the spray now. There you go. There are parts that has mold. I mean, it's not mold, it's a stain from the sauces, or when even the vegetables are overripe. Like that for the meantime, while I'm doing the washing. Okay, let's go to the sink. Time for cleaning. We have Fairy dishwashing liquid. just have continue the process. Hi everyone, I'm back. I've just done the washing and let's proceed the cleaning. I am very thankful everyone because I am surrounded with my loved ones. Hi Sister Rian, Rina, Atamira. Hope you're all doing well. Now, let's crack on. Here you go. Oh, I don't really apologize. After we clean, because I already spray them, later on, once you're done, make sure you wipe with antibacterial. Alright? To keep it smell good. Anyway, this is a wipe with lemon and mandarin. So it's gonna be smell better. Okay. Let's crack on, guys. Let's crack on. You need to be happy, guys. To make your job easier. These are the shelves that is hard to remove. Oh dear, this is hard. Finally, I'm done. Once you're done, don't forget to dry it with all-purpose clothes. After this one, you don't forget the wipes. Yeah, just a reminders. Hi Ma'am Agustina in the Philippines. My uncle and aunties there. My brother Richard, how are you? My nephews and nieces. John, Chuck, Jamaica, Janelle. Who was the other one? They're always there for me, guys. I am so lucky. Well, one day all of us will grow old. We're not torn back river before. We'll all go there. So we just have to appreciate what we have and enjoy the day. We just have to be happy all the time. We can. I know there are days that are tough, but what can we do? That's life. We just have to be positive, guys. Think that everything happens for a reason. So we just have to move on. Followed by the what? Smell good. And then dry wipe again. The last one. Then I can go out with my youngest daughter. I just leave this one open for the meantime. Smell better. It's time to dry. Finally, I'm done the drying. Now, let's go again and put them back. There you go. Let's wrap again. Okay, okay. Bang, 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 bang. I don't know if this is the right one. I need to be careful because it's a glass. I don't want them to be broken, guys. We have this fridge. I think almost 5 years. This side here. It's tidy now. La, la, la. Finally, I'm done, guys. Yippee yippee! Time to put back all the stuffs. Alright, hold on a minute. I put all the stuffs now. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting our channel. Much, really appreciated. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you later.